Hello students, good evening all. How are you all? Myself, Dr. Hanif Page. So, we have already launched PGCET 2024 Laksha Series 2.0. So, PGCET 2024, it is for MBA as well as MCA. So, we are giving online PGCET, MBA, MCA. In MCA, my part is on mathematics, which covers 34 marks. Okay, students? So now, Laksha batch course already started with the series 2.0. Series 1 already over. You can go through YouTube channels. You can check our track record. We have success. We have done a successful the last series, and many students they got good rankings and they got good institutions to study further for their PG level. Okay, so students, our request is you have to start your preparation as the earliest. So next, from the Rio Academy, we have different educators from different field. So we have English, then communication, aptitude, logical reasoning, I myself, mathematics for MCA, and for general awareness we have YouTube Baba. Okay, students. So Rio Academy, so that is empowering the minds and it will be enriching the futures. So we are creating the futures. So now question is what you will gain? What you will gain from our academy? It is first one, expert guidance from the different educators, not only one educator, different educators from different area of expertise. Okay, then customized study plans according to the requirement, extensive coverage of exam syllabi. So exam syllabi, so we have started PGCET 2024 Laksha 2.0. We have MCA, MBA for 45 days, one course. Next, those will join this, they will get next 3 and 4 as the complementary. Okay, then we have interactive learning sessions. Interactive in the sense we are having group discussions. Then we have doubt clearing sessions. Then we are conducting mock tests, real time assessment, then strategy to tackle the tricky questions, and how to solve within the prescribed time, minimum time. So that is what we'll get definitely from our Rio Academy. Okay, students. Next question is why to choose. So what are our features? So first one, this we cannot say just we are hyping ourselves. It is open to all. Just go and check the YouTube. Okay, we have the track record of success. Then we have dedicated faculties and we have supportive learning environment and affordable pricing with no compromise on the quality. So price is very less, so there is no compromise with the quality. We are providing the quality education for PGCET, MCA as well as MBA. Then this practice test assessment, then how to manage the times, how to solve the tricky questions within the prescribed time. So Rio Academy is giving opportunity to take your career to the heights. Please join our batch. Please join our batch and enroll now. Unlock your potential. Please join Rio Academy. Like, subscribe, students, so that will help you to enrich your potential. Already you have the potential. All the students are having their potential. We are just guiding you people how to achieve that, so that you should excel in your PGCET and get less ranking and get into admission to or get into the new or good institutions for your higher PG studies. So don't wait, join us today only. So this is the contact number. Please contact our hero with us, that is Rio Academy hero, Baba, YouTube Baba. Then, so join us. We have the WhatsApp group. We have the Telegram channel. So please don't miss this. Subscribe, students, like, subscribe, and download our app. Students, tell your friends that Lakshya 2.0 PGCET 2024 already started. So tell them to join so that they will get the compliment. Lakshya 3.0, 4.0 and 5.0. Okay, please join us. So we are having dedicated faculties. So myself, Dr. Hanif Page, I am taking mathematics, that is for MCA, total 34 marks. 7 questions are of 2 marks, 20 questions are of 1 mark each. Okay, students. So now today's our point of discussion is quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. So an equation of the type, if I write equation, means always. What do you mean by equation? F of x equal to 0, this is called an equation. When the function is equated to 0, it is called equation. If I write only f of x, then it is not an equation, it is just a function. Okay, so here this is called linear. Linear in the sense the variable x is having the power 1, power, or you can say the degree, power or degree of the variable is 1. So it is called linear. If I write an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here condition is coefficient a is called coefficient of x square, and b is called the coefficient of x, and c is a constant term. Okay, so this is called quadratic equation. This is called quadratic because the power of x here is 2. The variable is x here, its power, its degree, its exponent is 2. That is why it is called quadratic. It is called quadratic. So now here we are interested to find the solutions of this quadratic equation. Solutions of this quadratic equation. Okay, students. Solutions of quadratic equations. So these solutions are nothing but they are called as the roots or sometimes they are called zeros of the equation. Root means what? Value x is equal to alpha. This is root of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If I substitute in this, it must satisfy the equation. I should get LH is equal to RHS. That means what? A alpha square b into alpha plus c equal to 0. So this is called the root. The process of finding the roots is called as the solution. The roots sometimes called zeros. Okay, students. So now this is called quadratic equation. How to find the solutions? So here we have two methods. One is factorization method. Factorization method. If you are able to find the two factors, so that is x minus alpha, x minus beta of this form. So here x is equal to alpha, x is equal to beta are two roots. X is equal to alpha and beta are the two roots. So this is by the factorization. So one more method, use of the formula to find the roots, that is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, students. So this is how we can use. So now here important concepts that you have to remember is important results. First one, sum of roots is equal to minus the coefficient of x divided by the coefficient of x square. So for our expression, this is minus coefficient of x here is b, coefficient of x square is a. Then if I take the product of roots is constant term divided by the coefficient of x square, that is c by a. This is alpha plus beta. If I take, this is alpha into beta. If alpha and beta are the two roots of the equation, then these are important results. These are important results. So that will help you directly to solve the examples. Then here the term b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. This is called discriminant. In the expression, b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of quadratic equation. So what is the use of this? So that will give you directly how the nature of the roots. A quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has first one real and distinct roots. By finding this discriminant, you can decide that real and distinct roots if this discriminant b square minus 4ac is positive, real and different. Okay, so that is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Then here real and repeated, real and repeated, or real repeated, we can use the word, or roots, two equal roots, if the discriminant is equal to 0. By finding out the discriminant, you can decide the nature of the roots. And the last one, roots are imaginary or complex. Complex means it is in the form of alpha plus or minus I beta if discriminant is negative. Discriminant is negative. Imaginary roots. Imaginary means complex. It is of the form alpha plus or minus I beta. Okay, students. I hope this is clear. These are important results. So new tricks will be given here how to approach directly to solve the examples. Okay, students, please like, share, and next session we will have example on quadratic equations. Thank you.